your reading for the mid-month of March. So let's start. So Taurus, you have got faith. I see like most of them are like getting your faith back, getting a hope back, and just wishing for something and expecting something. I feel like you're just not losing on something out. I see like you're just getting faith and rebuilding some kind of confidence within yourself to reach out to someone else. I'm talking about reach out to someone else because your next card is called to action. So I see like most of them are wishing to take some kind of an action towards an individual. Finally, you feel like it's better to take action because you don't want any kind of a stagnation, any kind of a heartbreaken, or any kind of a thing which is making you feel stuck. Next you have clock of wisdom. So I say like you're taking action so that you get some kind of an answer, clarity regarding a person or a situation. So I see like most of them are wishing for some kind of an answer or a clarity, and I see you finally taking action so that you get some kind of a clarity and you can just move forward in your life. Okay, I see like some people you may be dealing with a Leo, or this situation may be occurred in the Leo moon. So I see like there's a pride or something ego issue is going on between you and your person. I see like maybe an pride is like stopping you both to reach out to each other. I see like divine is telling not to have any kind of a pride. I see most of them like letting your pride down and just taking action towards this individual and just believing in impossible. So you may be like thinking in the past like something maybe not going to work out, so you may have not reached out or something, but finally you're just believing that it's going to be possible, and I see you just taking action and you just want to speak out whatever you're feeling. I see like there are so many things which is hidden within yourself which you have not expressed to your partner, but finally I see like you just want to speak out. The emotions you're going to face, I feel in the mid month, it's like you're going to feel like you need more, you feel if something is less, you feel like you deserve more, you feel. So this kind of an energy you can feel in the mid month, and also you can feel like you're not good enough. You may feel like down, you may feel like low energy, you may feel like you're not good enough or something, and you may feel like it's too much, you need more. It's like fully confused energy. It's like you need more from someone here. You feel like the person you're dealing with is not giving you much. You may feel like you may feel within yourself like, oh, you're not good enough, and you may feel like it's too much. You may feel like too much burden. You may feel like something is not going as per your wish. So this is also can happen for the mid month. I see you most of them are going to like concentrate on your intuition. I see you like just ready to listen to your intuition, or divine is telling you to listen to your intuition. I see most of them like blocking your intuition in the past or present, but in the mid month it's time to like listen to your intuition so that you get some kind of guidance from divine. Divine is telling you to make people who want to make some kind of a choice. It can be like choice between two people, or it can be choice between one person and the path. It can be a path like whether to move forward or whether to stay back with an individual. So whatever decision you are going to take here, it's going to lead to you towards a right direction, and divine is telling to make a right choice and move confidently. Maybe in the past for some people it can be a situation where it may be like failure, maybe whatever you may have thought may have not worked out here, but divine is telling to have a retry regarding that, regarding a past thing, just retry and it's going to work out. And next you have is like you are safe enough. So it's like divine is telling that just trust on divine, work on yourself, everything is going to be okay here, because you may be feeling like everything around you is like it's not going right, and you may feel like whatever you're just wishing for, it's not at all working out. You may feel down, you may not feel confident, but divine is telling that divine is there. He is going to like help you and he'll give you guidance. So listen to your intuition here, and there's going to be a stability in your financial and love life. So this is a good news. There's going to be a financial and the love life will be good, and there'll be a stable for sure. So when I check your past energy, you have got 3 of coin and the 3 of swords. Maybe you were in some kind of a partnership, or you may be like you may be a friend with someone, or maybe a partner, business partner, or it can be like friends with benefit or something like that. I see there's a partnership here for sure. This may have brought you a lot of pain in the past. So got 5 of wands and Queen of cup. So this tells that you may have a lot of emotion feelings towards them, but you may have not expressed to them because you may feel like more than one person involved, or you may be emotionally confused or conflicted. So you may have not expressed because there may be a lot of confuse or conflict around this situation. So you may have not reached out. You have Knight of Swords and the Six of Coin in the past. So you may have felt it's right to be harsh towards them. It's better to not let them into your life and not deal with your emotions or something. So you may have choose like it's better to just be like rude to them, to just step back and just work on yourself. So you felt like it's better to be harsh towards them. For them in the past they got 4 of cups and 9 of coin. For some people it can be a situation where the person you're dealing with, they may have rejected you, or they may have like chosen to be single. I feel like most of them, I see they may have rejected you and just wanted to be single here, but I see like most of them here just wish for being in a commitment or a connection with this individual, but things may have not worked out in the past. So you may have chosen like it's better to just walk away. Maybe you thought like they are not having a proper decision, or you may be thinking like they don't have they may think very selfish and they may not think about you. You may feel like that, but they may have rejected you and just being single. They may have emotionally walked away, but this emotionally walked away may be not so easy. They may have like, they may be very stressed to walk away from this connection here. Even though emotionally they have walked away, I see them stressing out and feeling very much emotionally damaged within themselves. I see like they got like 4 of swords and 2 of swords. So I feel like they're healing right now, just clearing some kind of a conflict or some kind of a thoughts here. So I feel like they're just working on themselves right now, in the past. I see them working on themselves, and I see like emotionally they may have walked away, but this may be a difficult moment here. That's what I see. Let me check your energy for the month of March. For some people, you may be dealing with a Leo, have a strong Leo energy, or you may have Leo in your chart, or the person you're dealing with, they may have Leo in their chart. Okay, let's start. You got 4 of cups and the 10 of coin. So this tells that you may be like rejecting some kind of a commitment or something here, or there may be a potential of being in a commitment, or you may be in a commitment right now with some individual, I don't know, but I feel like you may be rejecting in the future. You don't want a commitment with someone here, you're wishing not to have commitment with them. Instead of that, you're just working on yourself. You got strength and 8 of coin. Just working on yourself, you're turning back from this energy of commitment and just working on yourself. I also see like the energy, like you may be wishing for a commitment with this individual, but when it comes to like practically, you feel like it's not good to be in commitment with this individual and you're not happy. You may be rejecting this commitment or a connection, but inside you, it's maybe like hurting you a lot. And most of them I see like you're leaving some kind of a commitment for some 3 of coin. The person in the past who may have hurted you, for them you're leaving this commitment with someone else and just wishing for this 3 of coin with this individual. So as it resonates, take the stories. I see like you are leaving a commitment for some 3 of coin, some partnership, and which you feel it's a wish fulfillment. For the rest people, in case if it's not a third party situation, I see you just leaving some kind of a commitment to work on yourself. Let me see your person's energy for the mid month. I see you like strongly, I feel like yeah, strongly I feel like you're leaving some commitment or something stable thing to move towards some kind of a partnership. I feel strongly, I feel that. Let me see your person's energy. They got Four of Wands and the Sun. I see like they're happy with the family they are in, or it can be a situation where like they are just they're just happy with whatever they have. So that's what the energy, better way of telling is this only, like they're happy with whatever they have. It can be like family also, they're happy with the family they are in and they're just enjoying that. They're just feeling very happy and just working on that. I feel in the mid month I see them working on with their family. They got 9 of coin and the 7 of cups. So I feel like they're just enjoying their individual work or they're being independent or something. I see them having a lot of options also coming their way. I see them having like more than one options for them, but they're not interested with those options. They're turning back and they're just choosing themselves for the mid month. They got 4 of coin and the Empress. So by looking at this energy only, I got to know that when I got this 4 of Wands and the Sun, I understood that okay, they are like working on themselves, their family, their situation. Because in case if they are dealing with other individual or they are in a commitment with other individual, they won't be independent, right? So they got 2 independent cards, that is 9 of coin and the Empress, and with that they have got 4 of coin. So this tells like they're just working on themselves, they're just holding back their emotions, they're just giving time for themselves, giving energy and time. It's like self-worth energy. I see them working on themselves for sure. They may be a Virgo or a Libra or a Taurus or a Leo, Sag, Aries. So what I say is Taurus, finally I see like you're just leaving some commitment and moving towards a wish fulfillment. And for some people it can be leaving a commitment and moving towards a person whom you want to build some kind of a stability with. For rest it can be like you're just leaving a commitment and moving towards healing work or to put work on yourself, something like that. For the person you are dealing with, they are just working on themselves, they're just happy with their family, they're just working on themselves and they're just enjoying their life. I don't see them being in a commitment for sure for the mid month. So that's what I see, Taurus. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.